The 34th Sengkhilang Festival concluded in Wahiajair, Meghalaya. The Sengkhilang Festival holds immense significance for believers who follow the Khasi indigenous faith. It is a time of unity and celebration, and is under the stewardship of The Seng Khasi Sain Raj. The Khasi people are an indigenous ethnic group residing in the eastern part of Meghalaya, in the Khasi and Jaintia hills of northeastern India. A report published by United Nations Population Funds, UNFPA, stated that India is the global leader in terms of the population, with an estimated population of 1.44 billion ahead of China at 1.425 billion. The report also detailed that an estimated 24% of India's population is aged 0 to 14, while 17% is within the 10 to 19 age range. The segment aged 10 to 24 is estimated to constitute 26%, with the 15 to 64 age group making up 68%. And 7% of India's population is aged 65 years and above, with men having a life expectancy of 71 years and women 74 years. The report also showed that the maternal deaths in India have fallen significantly, accounting for 8% of all such mortalities worldwide. The highest ratio of maternal mortality was seen in Tirupur district of Arunachal Pradesh, a rural area with a high proportion of indigenous peoples, 1,671 per 100,000 births. India takes the lead globally with an estimated population of 144.17 crore, with China following closely at 142.5. Indian wrestlers won a total of 9 medals, 4 silver and 5 bronze, in the Asian Wrestling Championships Seniors 2024 held in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. The 2024 Asian Wrestling Championships witnessed the participation of 30 Indian wrestlers, 10 in the men's Greco-Roman, 10 in the women's freestyle, and 10 in the men's freestyle. Silver medal winners: Udit, men's freestyle 57 kilograms; Radhika, women's 68 kilograms; Anju, women's 53 kilograms; Harshita, women's 72 kilograms; Abhimanyu, men's freestyle 70 kilograms. Bronze medal winners: Vicky, men's freestyle 97 kilograms; Shivani Pawar, women's 50 kilograms; Antim, women's 65 kilograms; Manisha, women's 62 kilograms. Ranking in different categories: Greco-Roman, Iran, India, 11th; men's freestyle, Iran, India, 7th; women's wrestling, Japan, India, 4th.